Wala pa talaga akong proper color corrector na product. So, ang ginagamit ko talaga is yung mga liquid blushes or cream blushes na meron ako. And for today, gamitin natin tong Absidy blush. This is the Absidy Soft Cheeks Blush Liquid Collection ba yun? This is in the shade Poppy. And as you can see, medyo orange siya. And I think makakatulong to para ma-cancel out niya yung aking mga discoloration. Grabe na rin talaga yung discoloration niya. Discoloration? Actually, ang ganda nitong blush na to. Pwedeng-pwede mo talaga siyang gamitin for color corrector kasi it turns into matte. Boobs. Lagay tayo here sa sumpa. Yan. Grabe na talaga siya. Sobrang dark na nung areas kung saan may sumpa. Of course, dito sa sideburns na hindi ko naman to gusto. Ba't nilagay dyan? Blend lang natin. Dito rin sa may neck area. Then jaw. As you can see, walang any shine at all. As in matte. Here sa under eyes. Super important ng color correcting. Mas napapaganda niya yung base. Perfect na agad yung skin mo bago ka mag-apply ng foundation and concealer. I mean, perfect yung color. Remember that makeup will not hide the texture of your face, but only the color of your face. So, kung mayroon kang discoloration, yun, matatago yun ng makeup. But with the texture, wala ka na magagawa dun. Kailangan mo na talagang magpa-derma or mag-consult sa dermatologist. Look at my makeup. Ito yung nag-color correct ako, di ba? Ang ganda ng lapat ng base, like, plakado. And also, nakaka-affect yung ginagamit mong foundation and concealer dun sa pagko-color correct mo. Kasi mas maganda talaga if you are wanting to do a glam makeup, I really suggest na gumamit ka ng foundation that has a high coverage but still very lightweight. For the concealer naman, I suggest na gumamit ka ng manipis but still merong enough coverage to cover your dark circles, blemishes, or kung ano man yung gusto mong i-cover. That's why color correcting is important. Gantong face, oh, puro chismis yan kanina pero ang ganda niya tonight. Ah, di ba?